Are you getting the disk write error when installing or updating the First Descendant on your PC? No need to worry, because in this video I'll show you how you can fix the disk write error in the First Descendant or any other game on Steam. So let's start with the solutions without any further delay. Solution 1. Run Steam as an administrator. To do this, click the system tray icon, then right click on the Steam icon and select Exit Steam. Now right click on the Steam shortcut from your desktop and select Run as Administrator from the context menu. After that, click on Yes to give permission. Now go to your library and check if you can update the game without this error. Solution 2. Make the Steam folder writable. For this one, open up the File Explorer on your computer, then go to the C drive. After that, open the program file x86. Here, you will find the Steam folder, right-click on it, and select Properties from the context menu. Now uncheck the box that says Read Only. Then click on Apply and then on OK to save these changes. Now check if the error is fixed. Solution 3. Clear Steam download cache and cache. First, click on the system tray icon, then right-click on the Steam icon and select Exit Steam. After that, right-click on the Steam shortcut from your desktop and select Open File Location from here. Now scroll up and find the App Cache folder, then delete it. Now open up Steam. Next, click on the Steam icon from the top left corner of the screen and select Settings from the drop-down menu. Now click on Downloads from the left side folder. Now click the Clear button next to Clear Download Cache. Then click on Confirm, and Steam will restart. Now the error should be gone. So guys, that's how you fix the disk write error in the First Descendant on your computer. If the video did the trick for you, then smash that like button, and if you still have any troubles, let me know in the comments below and I'll get back to you real soon. Thanks for watching.